There's like a creaking noise when the drum is turning. I was just wondering if that's normal. Other users say that it's really quiet. See that creaking noise it makes? So I was just wondering if that's the normal operation of it. I do clean the filter, lint filter. Yeah, I saw another review of another user who said it was whisper quiet, made no noise. I was just wondering if there's something wrong with this one, or maybe I'm putting too much load on it, or if that's like how it's normally supposed to sound.